Hello, young lords. Welcome to the session. I am going to talk about a work of art by Anton Chekhov, a great Russian playwright and short story writer. Anton Chekhov was a famous playwright and short story writer of Russia. He wrote many plays and short stories which are famous for their themes and subject matters. Anton Chekhov is sometimes referred to as the chronicler of Russian period of depression and pessimism. He was the leader of the realistic school of the Russian short story. His ability to create atmosphere and build to a climax is unparalleled in the world. He takes a moment in protagonists' lives and reveals their souls in a handful of phrases and idioms. Mediocrity, pettiness, emptiness, and meaningfulness in life are core themes of his short stories. He strips bare the rot at the core of social structures. Chekhov is a wry humorist. The present short story exposes the hypocrisy and show off which we find in human beings. Through this short story, Anton Chekhov satirizes the hypocrisy in man. After talking about the author Anton Chekhov, let me introduce the characters of this short story. There are four important characters in this short story. The first important character is Sasha Askirnov. He is the only son of his mother. The second important character is Koselkov, a doctor. The third important character is Uhor, a lawyer. And the fourth character is Saskin, a comedian. The doctor, once upon a time, the doctor treats the only son of a lady. The lady is very poor. She has no money and no means to pay the fee for the service of the doctor. So, she gives a candlestick to her son to give it to the doctor as the present in lieu of rendering his service. The boy named Sasha Askirnov goes to the doctor. He gives him the candlestick or candelabra as present. He tells the doctor that this is in fact a work of art. He requests the doctor to preserve this work of art with him. Then the boy goes away. Later the doctor looks at the candelabra. It is a bronze a statue of a naked woman. The doctor looks at the beautiful a statue of a woman, naked woman. It's very beautiful. It is made of bronze. But later the doctor thinks that in his room his mother comes, his children come in, his patients come in. So he will be embarrassed when they will look at this candlestick. So the doctor decides that he will present this candlestick to a friend. Later the doctor goes to his friend who is a lawyer. His name is Uhob. He is a bachelor, unmarried man. The doctor gives him the candlestick, the candelabra. The advocate looks at this candelabra. It is in fact a work of art, it's very beautiful. But later he thinks that though he is a bachelor, his mother comes in there, his clients come in there. So he will be embarrassed when they will look at this naked statue of a woman. They will begin to think about my nature, about my character, about my my thinking, etc. And it will affect my income. So the lawyer also decides that he will pass it on to his another friend. Now the lawyer passes on this candelabra to one of his friends, Saskin. He is a comedian. The comedian keeps this candelabra for some time, but he thinks that this candelabra will put him in a strange situation. People will think the heroines, the heroes, and the audience will think that the comedian is not a man of good character. He possesses such a picture which is very objectionable. So he does not like to have the work of art with him. After some time, the boy comes to the doctor again. He gives another piece of candelabra, another piece of the pair to another pair of candelabra to the doctor. But the boy is very sad and sorry to find that the candelabra that he gave earlier to the doctor is not with him. In this way, the writer exposes the hypocrisy, the pettiness, the emptiness, the meaningfulness of human beings. Most of the people have such a concept. Most of the people show what they are not. Anton Chekhov disposes this hollowness in mankind. Thanks a lot.